Thank you, Honourable House Chair. House Chair, it is very clear that municipalities are the ANC government's single biggest failure. No matter if a grant is direct or indirect, it fails. Many grants were direct grants, and then it was converted in amendment bills to indirect grants because the municipality or the province could not spend the money and they were under expenditure. Now, in this Division of Revenue Amendment Bill, we see that even indirect grants are not being spent. So what is very clear? The ANC cannot govern. The failure is with government on all levels. On all levels, there is a complete failure. Where's the under expenditure of the school infrastructure grant, where we need infrastructure? The health facility revitalization component grant, regional bulk infrastructure grant under expenditure, integrated national electrification program grant under expenditure, municipal system improvement grant under expenditure. There's a lack of planning and implementing on all levels of government. There's a lack of skills. There's a lack of competent officials who can deliver the services. And there's a lack of consequence management. People are getting away with wasting, stealing, and mismanaging the money. Ons verwelkom die 241 miljoen rand wat vir die Vaalrivier intervensie gaan. Die vraag is wel, is daar kundigheid om daardie projek te stuur? Is daar kundigheid om daardie belangrike krisis aan te spreek? Agbare voorsitter, as ons nie die Vaalrivier red nie, word die meeste van Gautengse inwoners, die Vrystaatse inwoners en ander aangrensende provinsiese inwoners se watervoorsiening totaal en al bedreig. Ons kan dit nie toelaat nie. Munisipaliteite val, Mfuleni is een van daardie voorbeelde, en dit is daardie munisipaliteit en ander munisipaliteite wat verantwoordelik is vir jare se besoedeling van die Vaalrivier. Geen voorwaardelike toekenning gaan munisipaliteite red nie. Ons het kleiner munisipaliteite nodig, ons het effektiewe bestuur nodig, en ons het mense nodig wat die mense wil dien en nie hulle eie sakke nie. Ons het 'n verantwoordelike regering nodig. Ons het dit definitief nie, agbare lid, ons het dit definitief nie, want die ouditeur-generaal se verslag, wat vandag ter tafel gelê is, agbare lid, wys dat u nie verantwoordelik is nie. Kyk na die onreëlmatige uitgawes, kyk na die verkooste uitgawes, en wat is die grootste probleem met hierdie verdeling van die billike aandeel? Agbare voorsitter, die salarisrekening van die staat is te hoog. Dit is al waar u werklik kan bestee. You can't spend the money of the necessary grants to improve our infrastructure and to create a conducive environment for economy to grow, but you can spend the money on inflated salaries. Let me get to the Honourable Buthelezi, the chairperson of the committee. The solution is not with outstanding debt, Honourable Member, because there is no money. People are getting poorer and poorer. Businesses can't perform, especially in our rural areas. The solution is no longer there. We have to create a conducive environment so that businesses can create employment and so that there can be infrastructure and economic growth. At this stage, there is none. Our rural economy is failing, and if you think that you will be saved by outstanding debt, you are dreaming big dreams. I thank you.